In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how I made this delicious penne stir fry. Let's get right into it. Welcome to my channel. Here I have all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. I have my veggies, my pepper and onion, my protein. I'm using shrimp, chicken and gizzard, and then I have my chopped tomatoes and my penne, of course. The first step is to cook the penne till al dente. I'm just going to bring water to a boil, season it with salt, make sure it's slightly salty, and then I'm adding a bit of vegetable oil, and I'll just cook that until it's firm to the bite. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes. You don't want it to be too soft because you're still going to cook it in the stir fry process. Now I'm going to add a little oil in the pan and then infuse my spices into the oil and go in with my protein. So I just let that cook and simmer a bit for about 30 seconds, 1 minute, and then I add my protein, starting with the chicken and the gizzard. I'll just let that cook, add a little bit of water to soften it up so that it's not too crunchy when I'm eating the pasta. Now I'm seasoning it with a bit of soy sauce, and then I'm adding my chopped tomatoes so that they can cook together and all the flavors can just really dance around in there on the chicken. And then I'm adding my pepper and onion, and then I'm just going to toss that about a bit, and about 2 minutes is enough. Now I'm adding my butter for extra flavor and extra deliciousness, I'm just going to toss it about a bit and let that cook for another 2 minutes as well. Now I'm adding the shrimp. I always cook the shrimp last when I have several proteins to use in my meal. Now I'm adding my vegetables, and I'm just going to cook that as well for 2 minutes again. I'm just going to toss that about again and make sure it cooks and the seasoning goes all around. Now I'm adding the penne. So I'm just going to add the penne and toss it about. I'm adding a bit of the pasta water for flavor and just to help all the spices move around the pasta really well. And then now I'm going to correct the seasoning and just toss it and mix it really well. Mixing is kind of the major thing here, just to make sure everything flows onto the pasta. So I'm just going to toss that about, and then I'm going in with my cabbage and green pepper. I'll just add that last minute because I still want to have the crunch when I'm eating this penne pasta. So just toss it about, and that's it, you're done. I'm just going to add the spring onions and take it off the heat and serve. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if this video was very helpful to you. Bye.